Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make quinoa with vegetables using an easy method. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water for about 30 seconds. This crucial step removes saponin, a natural coating that can give quinoa a slightly bitter flavor. While your quinoa drains, gather and chop your favorite vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ensuring they cook evenly. Now, let's cook the quinoa perfectly. In a medium saucepan, combine your rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. Add a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the saucepan tightly and let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. While the quinoa is simmering, let's prepare our delicious vegetables. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your chopped vegetables, such as bell peppers, zucchini, or broccoli florets. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender crisp. Season with a dash of salt, pepper, and any herbs you enjoy. Once your quinoa has finished cooking, remove it from the heat and let it rest covered for 5 minutes. This allows the grains to fully steam and become fluffy. After resting, fluff the quinoa with a fork. Now, gently fold in your beautifully sautéed vegetables. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Serve this nutritious and flavorful dish warm and enjoy your easy, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.